to bring me roses. Wish he could again. That was on the outside. Things were different then. We built our world together. Love so clear and strong, but that was on the outside. Where did I go? On the inside the sun still shines and the rain falls down, but the sun and rain are prisoners too. Last night I dreamed we were together, sharing all the love we'd known, till I had to face the nightmare of walking alone. On the inside the sun still shines and the rain falls down, but the sun and rain are prisoners too. When morning comes around, on the inside the roses grow. They don't mind the stony ground, but the roses here are prisoners too. When morning comes around, he used to give me roses. Wish he could again, but that was on the outside. But things were different then. Well, howdy there pluckers, I was Saw Things again with a real old classic for you. A song from a lady called Lynne Hamilton, and the song's called On the Inside, and it was the theme tune for a TV program called Prisoner Cell Block H, I believe. Okay, so let's get to it. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos. Some versions of this recorded versions of this record, you may need to put the capo on the first fret. She seems to sing it in two different keys, but I'm playing it in the more common one, which is just open, no capos, okay? But occasionally I have come across the odd version where you need a capo on fret 1. Play exactly the same chords but with the capo on fret 1, okay? So let's start off. So, little introduction for you. Right, a pleasant little ditty. So A major 7th to start with, so that's like a second on the 4th, second finger, first on the 3rd, first finger, and second on the 2nd with the 3rd finger. Open 5th string, open top E string. All right, 5 down to 1. And what we do with this is we hit the way it's played, I think, is you play the open A string, bass note to start with. Then strum the next 3 strings, and then little mini pause, and then hit the top E string open. So something like that, yeah. Then we go up to this shape. It's a form of B minor. It's an A minor shape. You fret an A minor, move it up 2 frets. So 3rd fret of the 2nd string, first finger. 4th fret of the 4th and 3rd strings with the other 2 fingers. Again, open A string, okay, and what we need to do is put our pinky on the top E string on the 5th fret. It's like a B minor 7th with A in the bass, okay, so B minor 7th over A. Again, you hit the A string open, and then strum the next 3 strings, and then mini pause, hit the top E string. So now you've got this. And Now you do exactly the same thing but another 2 frets up. So this is like a C minor 7th, C sharp minor 7th with A in the bass. Okay. Again you hit the open A string, next 3 strings, strum, and then top E string. Okay, so now you've got okay, and then go back to the second one again, and then back to a single strum on the A major 7th. So the whole thing. Okay, that one there is, I'm starting on that fret, C sharp minor 7th, 5th fret, 2nd string, 1st finger. These two are on the 6th fret on the 4th and 3rd strings, and pinky on the 7th fret, top E string. Okay, right, so that's the intro. He used to bring me, and this goes into the first line, he used to bring me flowers is B minor 7th. So it's a B minor bar chord. I'm only playing the first 5 strings, I'm not playing the bottom E string. So I'm only barring the first 5 strings. 2nd fret, 1st finger, B minor, but take your pinky off. Okay? B minor 7th. And it's basically bass note, strum a little bit, right? So it's used to bring me flowers. So it's like bum bum dun chink. You arpeggiate the 5 4 3 and then strum. And then we play an E 7th. Okay, that's an E chord without the 3rd finger. Open 4th string, all 6 strings. Same idea. Sort of hit the that sort of thing, sort of very slow arpeggiate on the bass strings and then strum a little bit, yeah? So, used to bring me flowers, wish she could again. And then we go to the A major 7th again. Again you play 5th string, 4th string, and then strum the rest, yeah? And come back up again. Just, it's a feely thing, okay? Don't play it exactly the same every time. So it used to bring me flowers, wish she could again. Then we go to an F sharp minor 7th, barring the 2nd fret, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th fret of the 5th string. Just the bar and the 3rd finger, yeah? F sharp minor 7th. So used to bring me flowers, used to bring me flowers, roses rather, wish she could again. Repeat, that was on the outside, B minor 7th, E 7th, birds with wings. Now the next, when you come on out of the 2nd line, when it goes, but that was on the outside, E 7th, but things were different then. It's an A chord, it's a straight A chord, and it's like 5th string, 4th string strum. Then we play a D chord, but we need to put little pinky up to the 4th fret on the 4th string, the D string. Right? Open A string, again 5th string, 4th string strum. So you've got 5th A string, 4th string strum on the A chord, same on the D, and then a single strum on A. So right from the beginning up to that point, yeah? So here we go. He used to bring me roses, wish she could again, but that was on the outside, things were different then. we just repeat the whole thing basically, okay? We built the world together with love so clear and strong, but that was on the outside. But where did we go wrong? Anything on the second part of the verse, you just stop on the A. You don't go to the D and back to the A. You just stop on the A. So that last line is, but that was on the outside. But where did we go wrong? Okay, just single stroke on the A. Then we're into the chorus, right? On the inside, on the inside, the D major 7, just barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, open 4th, open 5th. Don't play the bottom E string, okay? Alright, so outside, where did I go? On the inside, the sun still shines. E7, and the rain falls. C sharp minor 7, 4th fret bar. Again, I'm only playing the first 5 strings. I'm not playing the bottom E string. First 5 strings bar, first finger on the 4th fret, and then the minor shape, pinky off, C sharp minor 7. So from the beginning, on the inside the sun still shines. E7, and the rain falls. C sharp minor 7th, F sharp 7th. Major, all 6 strings, major bar chord 2nd fret, pinky off, F sharp 7. Okay? Right, so on the inside the sun still shines and the rain falls down, but the sun and the rain are B minor 7, prisoners to E7, when morning comes, A, the D bit, F sharp in this 4th string there, and A, stop. That's that A to D with A in the bass and back to A again. It goes when morning comes around. And then we go into the next verse and the next chorus. It's all repeats with different words, okay? Got the idea? So we'll just go through all the way from the start to the end of the first chorus, and then everything just repeats, okay, basically. So here we go. Let's do that right, shall we? He used to bring me roses, wish he could again, but that was on the outside, but things were different then. We built our world together, love so clear and strong. That was on the outside. Where did I go? On the inside the sun still shines and the rain falls down, but the sun and rain are prisoners too. Last night I dreamed we were together, sharing all love we know, till I had to face the nightmare of waking up. On the inside the sun still shines and the rain falls down, but the sun and rain are prisoners too. When morning comes around, on the inside the roses grow in all my stormy ground, roses here are business too. When morning comes around, he used to give me roses. Wish he could again, but that was on the outside. Things were different then. And there we boys and girls, hope you enjoyed that. Very melodic, very pretty little song. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.